One of the most basic and well-liked bodyweight workouts is the push-up. Because several muscles are used simultaneously, the exercise is easy to do anywhere and is highly efficient. Sounds excellent, doesn't it? The issue with push-ups is that a lot of people focus more on numbers than quality. Make sure your push-ups are perfect by concentrating on these 4 areas to prevent this. Let's get right to it. Number 1. The body position. There's more to a push-up than just using your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Most people don't pay much attention to their legs, hips, or abdominal muscles. Their backs are frequently arched, and they show little physical stress. Tilt your pelvis backward and clench your buttocks tightly to prevent this. This moves harder, but it also makes it more efficient. Number 2. The arm position. To achieve flawless execution, the arm posture is irrelevant. Both a wide and a narrow grip can be used to do an ideal push-up. However, when performing a typical push-up, it's crucial to position your wrist in a nearly vertical line under your shoulder. That rule still has several exceptions. As an illustration, consider the pseudo-planche push-up, which emphasizes the shoulder, and the sphinx push-up, which is an exercise that primarily works the triceps. A broader grasp will engage the chest more than a narrow hold when performing regular push-ups. Furthermore, a tight grasp draws extra attention to your triceps. Outflared elbows are the single thing you should never do since they place a lot of stress on your shoulder and might cause injury. The more your elbows point backward, the closer your arms are to your body. Your elbows will extend farther from your torso the more you put your arms. However, they continue to point more in the other direction. Number 3. The range of motion. This is easy. Simply said, don't lie. Go up and down all the way. And maintain a straight body. Avoid pushing your hips down or your head forward to reduce your range of motion. Number 4. The flexibility of the shoulder blades. This is an extremely overlooked point. Your shoulder blades come together as you go down, and they split apart as you go up. Additionally, you should concentrate on moving them downward rather than upward. However, keep in mind that there is still a difference between passive and dynamic shoulder blade motions. Your shoulder blades will come together if your shoulder girdle is too weak to support your body against gravity. This is obvious, particularly during the peak of the movement. Always pay attention to the tightness in the movement of your shoulder blades as you're going down. Avoid allowing yourself to become involved in your frameworks. You will find that it's considerably more difficult to complete if you take into account all of those factors and give it a go alone. Your maximum repeat count may decrease. However, that is unimportant. Your reward for always prioritizing quality over quantity will be an improvement and a fit body. Push-ups are an easy-to-do but powerful workout that may help you reach your fitness goals. Why not give it a go and witness the incredible outcomes for yourself? Please feel free to ask any questions you may have on this topic. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you liked it. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one.